Bird making noise right now. There's a bunch of squirrels in that hollow, that tree over there. And we're getting ready to crack all these. Watch this. See how you do it? That's how you do it. You lay these down sideways. And preferably not in the sand, but I put some in the sand, no big deal. These are for the songbirds anyway. And then just drop that on there like that. And you crack a whole bunch of them at once. See, they don't all crack at once because they're so friggin' hard. But that's how you do it. That's the idea. You can see them all there. See, that's some nut meat right there. See, they're all good. I mean, I could eat these myself if I wanted to, but I got so many more inside. These actually are still good. These are actually quite good. But I give these to the songbirds. They like these things. You can eat those, see, as long as that meat is like that, light like that. They're edible Eastern American black walnut nut.